One of them is also sitting here. We have seen that you are quite to that extent using and exploiting women in the ad and also children. So is it not an emotional blackmail which you are trying to play at the cost of the public?
I think so it's your view, and may you are seeing that in this way. If you will watch that, like if I'll.
So you would say there is no exploitation of women in the ad. That's what you want to say?
No, I'm not saying that exploitation, but you are watching in this way. Like if we will say, if we'll use there is an X ad, like we are making the.
Let's take the Lux ads which you have been releasing about, your ad agencies has been releasing about, and we show the, I would say, dramatization of the ad being taking place, and even ladies and even men like Shah Rukh Khan being shown. Is it actually the fact, or it is just a thing which you want to project?
So it's a fact. If we use the Lux, then there should be women and there should be men. Like why we are using women for the soap, because the soap is
no, there is no harm in use. Making use of the woman, but the way they are being projected,
okay,
the image. That's what we wanted to know from you.
I just want to creativity, or you can say that it's an innovation, like
creativity at the cost of the people, or maybe hurting their feelings. What has our NGO expert to say about that?
Just talking about the creativity that all those people are talking about. So they came
You're not audible, you're not clear. Remain clear.
Doing business with advertising is like bringing a girl in the dark. You know that you bring the girl in the dark, but nobody else knows about it. So, but I do believe that the way these advertisements are being shown is far too immoral. In my opinion, it is a malady which has reached outrageous proportions.
Sir, can you quote some example where you feel that wrong has been done in the ad, which you want to say?
Well, we're just talking about those ads and the impact of ad that we got on the television itself. Also, we'll speak on that one only. The ads are far more exaggerated. There is
so you would say there are tall claims made in the ad which are not necessarily being matching with the actual life scenario.
exactly so.
That's what you want to say? So we like to hold on to that moment. Let's have the comment from our lady from Hindustan Unilever. What she has to say, whether her claims are actually tall claims or are they realistic claims?
If we are talking in the terms of the brand, the customer who are purchasing the brand, they know whether the brands, they are purchasing the products on the names of the brand, like whether it is a Reebok, whether it is a Nike, whether it is a Hindustan Unilever Limited, any products, and the brand stands for the quality, reliability and performance. It doesn't go with what the actual scenario is.
But madam, in terms of your brand, something also we have seen like the brands of Fair and Lovely, they say that in the next 15 days you will really become those, equivalent to the European girls or American girls, Fair and Lovely. Is it right to say so? Is it right to say so? And what has the audience to say? Is it the right claim?
No, sir, not at all.
See? Okay, what did you to say about that? Are those claims really justified?
Okay, the matter is that if we are going to sell the product like a Fair and Lovely, but the customers know that it will not be effective, but the name, the brand, the product is just selling out of the app.
So you want to play with the emotions of the people. That's what you want to
We
say.
are not playing with the emotions of the people. The customers know what is good for them, what is not good for them. We are just selling our product because the company wants the profit, the company wants its need. It doesn't go with the...
So that's the ultimate objective. Now see the underlying thought. What she's saying is our ultimate objective is profits.
Yes,
Irrespective of what the audience or irrespective of the public gains or loses. That's what I want to say.
Our company wants a profit, whether it is by any... Yeah, by
So that's the director of Hindustan Unilever saying that statement.
the director of called director of
Yeah.
being
very frank, I don't think it's irrespective to say whether a company is going to make a profit or not.